Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable keyboard clipboard on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. From here, just tap on the clipboard icon on your keyboard. Now just enable this toggle to enable clipboard. Now once you do that, to use clipboard, just write a text. And from here, just copy the text which you have written, just like that. Now, if you tap on these four square icons on your keyboard, and if you tap on the clipboard icon, you can find the text which we have written saved on the clipboard. And this is how you can enable keyboard clipboard on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.